Welcome. If you've ever wondered how people are turning ChatGPT into a real source of income, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down 4 proven methods that actually work, so you can stop scrolling and start creating. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just curious about new digital opportunities, this guide will show you how to leverage AI for real results. We'll cover content creation, digital products, social media management, and resume services, each with practical tips, real-world examples, and pricing insights. Let's dive in and discover how you can join the growing number of people making money with ChatGPT. Start with a surprising fact. While 78% of organizations use AI, less than 5% of individuals are actually earning money with ChatGPT. Most people treat it like a fancy search engine, missing its true potential. The real difference: strategy. Successful earners don't just ask, "What can ChatGPT do?" They ask, "What problems can I solve faster using ChatGPT?" This mindset shift is key. Instead of wasting time on basic queries, top ChatGPT entrepreneurs use tested prompt frameworks that deliver consistent, valuable results. The gap isn't about technology, it's about knowing how to use it strategically. Think of ChatGPT as a set of power tools for your business. If you already know your craft, AI helps you work smarter and faster. But if you lack expertise, it just speeds up mistakes. The most successful users treat ChatGPT as a productivity multiplier, not a replacement for skill. This means combining your market knowledge with AI's capabilities to deliver better, faster results. Whether you're writing, designing, or consulting, ChatGPT can amplify your strengths and help you stand out in a crowded digital marketplace. Content creation is the easiest way to start earning with ChatGPT, but not by simply copy-pasting AI outputs. The real value comes from using ChatGPT to overcome the blank page and endless revisions. Entry-level writers charge $25.75 per blog post, while experienced strategists can command $100.300. The difference: understanding what makes content valuable to businesses. By using strategic prompts, you position yourself as a consultant, not just a writer. This approach helps you scale your services and increase your rates as clients see you as a partner in their success. Instead of asking ChatGPT to write your content, use prompts that generate blog titles, outlines, and calls to action tailored to your client's audience. For example, ask ChatGPT to act as a senior content strategist and suggest 5 blog post ideas for a specific business. This not only saves time, but also demonstrates your understanding of the client's needs. Building a library of proven prompts for different industries allows you to deliver consistent, high-quality results and stand out from competitors who rely on generic outputs. Professional content creators who earn consistently with ChatGPT don't reinvent the wheel for every project. They rely on comprehensive prompt collections that cover various industries and content types. This approach allows you to scale your services, handle more clients, and increase your income without sacrificing quality. For example, Sam Martinez, a freelance writer, tripled her rates by presenting clients with strategic content options and explaining the reasoning behind each piece. Clients value this expertise and are willing to pay more for it. Platforms like Upwork processed $4 billion in freelancer payments in 2024, with content creation making up nearly 30% of projects. But clients consistently choose freelancers who demonstrate strategic thinking over those offering the lowest rates. Your competitive advantage isn't just using ChatGPT, it's using it to deliver big-picture solutions. By focusing on strategy and results, you can command higher fees and build long-term client relationships. Digital product development is a powerful way to earn with ChatGPT. Unlike service-based businesses, digital products let you generate income while you sleep. The global digital goods market is projected to reach $124 billion in 2025. The most successful products aren't always the most complex. They solve specific problems for well-defined audiences. With ChatGPT, you can research, outline, and create digital products like ebooks, templates, and guides in days instead of months. Start your digital product journey with market research. Use ChatGPT to analyze existing products on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, identify gaps, and brainstorm new ideas. Once you spot an opportunity, prompt ChatGPT to outline your product, such as a 20-page ebook or a set of business templates. Follow up with chapter-specific or section-specific prompts to flesh out the content. This systematic approach accelerates your timeline and ensures your product meets real market needs. Take Marcus Chen, for example. He created a small business tax deduction guide using ChatGPT. By identifying a gap, guides that were either too complex or too generic, he crafted a focused, easy-to-understand product. Priced at $27, it generated $3,400 in its first month on Gumroad. This shows that understanding your audience's pain points and using ChatGPT to address them can lead to real, scalable income. Popular digital product categories include business templates and worksheets, educational guides, design templates, and specialized planners. Prices range from $5 to $97, depending on complexity and value. The beauty of this model is that once you master the process, you can create and launch new products quickly, building multiple streams of passive income over time. Social media management is another high-demand service where ChatGPT shines. Small business owners know social media is important, but most struggle to post consistently due to time constraints. In 2025, brands are posting less frequently, but seeing stronger engagement. This shift creates opportunities for ChatGPT-powered social media services that focus on quality and strategy, not just quantity. Stand out, use ChatGPT to create detailed 30-day content calendars tailored to each client's business. Go beyond basic post ideas, include suggested captions, hashtags, and explanations for why each post works. This strategic approach positions you as a partner who understands both social media and business goals, making your services more valuable and in demand. Service tier pricing for social media management varies. Basic content calendars go for $100 to $200 per month. Calendars with custom graphics fetch $300 $400, and full service management can reach $500 $1000 monthly. Jennifer Rodriguez built a $4,200 monthly recurring revenue business by focusing on strategy and insights, not just posting schedules. Clients value expertise that drives real engagement and results. Most successful AI-assisted social media managers position themselves as strategic partners, not just content factories. By leveraging ChatGPT for research, planning, and execution, you can offer clients a comprehensive service that saves them time and delivers measurable outcomes. This approach builds trust and long-term client relationships, setting you apart from competitors. Resume and career services are a high-value niche for ChatGPT. With 98% of Fortune 500 companies using applicant tracking systems, job seekers need optimized resumes to get noticed. ChatGPT can help you craft tailored resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles that meet modern hiring standards. This service commands premium pricing because it directly impacts clients' earning potential. Use ChatGPT to generate resumes and cover letters tailored to specific positions, companies, and industries. For example, prompt ChatGPT as a professional career coach to write a resume highlighting relevant experience and skills, optimized for ATS. The real value comes from understanding what makes resumes effective in today's job market and refining the AI output for each client. Resume writing services typically charge $75 $300 per resume, with cover letters adding $25 $100. LinkedIn profile optimization is another revenue stream at $50 $150 per profile. David Park, a former HR professional, transitioned to freelance resume writing using ChatGPT for initial drafts. His average project value is $275, and he offers ongoing career coaching for an additional $150 $300 per month. Professional resume writers who command premium rates use specialized prompt collections tailored for different professions, career levels, and job market trends. This allows them to deliver highly relevant, effective documents that stand out to both clients and employers. By continually refining your prompt library, you can stay ahead of industry changes and maintain your competitive edge. No matter which ChatGPT-powered service you offer, quality control is everything. Always review and edit AI-generated content before delivering it to clients. Your expertise shows in the refinements, strategic decisions, and market understanding you bring to each project. Clients pay for professional results, not raw AI output. Position yourself as a professional who leverages ChatGPT for efficiency, not as someone who relies on AI for expertise. This attracts clients who value both speed and quality. By emphasizing your unique combination of technology and professional judgment, you can command premium rates and build a reputation for excellence. In setting your rates, research what competitors charge, but remember, clients seeking AI-assisted services often prioritize value over price. They want better results faster, not just cheaper services. Focus on the outcomes you deliver and the unique advantages you offer by combining AI with your expertise. Begin your ChatGPT income journey by focusing on one service area that aligns with your existing knowledge or experience. This allows you to build credibility, gather testimonials, and refine your process before expanding into new areas. As you gain confidence and results, gradually increase your rates and diversify your offerings. The ChatGPT economy rewards those who combine technology with professional judgment. By treating AI as a productivity multiplier, you can deliver greater value to clients and grow your income faster. The 4 methods we've covered, content creation, digital products, social media management, and resume services, are just the beginning. Your success depends on how you position and market your unique skills. Clients pay for the combination of speed and strategy. AI alone isn't enough. Your human expertise is what makes the difference. Use ChatGPT to handle repetitive tasks and brainstorming, then apply your judgment to refine and deliver outstanding results. This approach not only saves you time, but also increases your earning potential. The fastest path to ChatGPT income success is investing in comprehensive prompt libraries. These collections provide ready-to-use templates for every income opportunity, saving you months of trial and error. Successful entrepreneurs don't waste time reinventing prompts. They use proven frameworks to deliver consistent, high-quality results for their clients. Your next step isn't learning more about ChatGPT, it's choosing one of these methods and implementing it this week. The opportunities are real, the market is ready, and the tools are available right now. Action is what separates successful earners from those who just watch from the sidelines. Keep your edge in the fast-moving digital world. Stay updated with the latest strategies and trends. Subscribe to newsletters, join online communities, and invest in ongoing learning. This ensures you're always ready to adapt and seize new opportunities as they arise. Want fresh insights and practical tips delivered straight to your inbox? Subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive updates on content creation, freelancing, affiliate marketing, and passive income strategies. Stay informed and inspired as you build your ChatGPT-powered business. We value your privacy. When you subscribe to our newsletter, your email is safe and you can unsubscribe anytime. Our commitment is to provide value and respect your preferences, so you can focus on growing your business with peace of mind. If you have questions or need support as you start your ChatGPT income journey, our team is here to help. Reach out via our contact page, get support for your freelance work, or access store help. We're committed to your success every step of the way. Explore our digital store for a range of resources designed to help you succeed online. From prompt libraries to business templates, our products are crafted to save you time and boost your results. Visit the store and discover tools that fit your goals and workflow. Our resource hub offers guides, articles, and tools to support your growth as a digital entrepreneur. Whether you're new to ChatGPT or looking to scale your business, you'll find actionable advice and proven strategies to help you succeed. At Online Biz Offers, our mission is to empower individuals to succeed in the digital economy. We believe in combining technology with human expertise to create real opportunities for growth and income. Join our community and take the next step in your digital journey. Our team is made up of experienced professionals in digital marketing, e-commerce, and AI-powered services. We're passionate about helping you achieve your goals and are always here to share insights, answer questions, and celebrate your successes. Stay informed with our regularly updated blog, featuring the latest trends, case studies, and how-to guides on making money online with ChatGPT and other digital tools. Continuous learning is key to staying ahead in the digital world. Freelancing is a flexible way to earn with ChatGPT. Offer services like content writing, social media management, or resume optimization on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Use strategic prompts to deliver high-quality work quickly and build a portfolio that showcases your results. Affiliate marketing is another way to monetize your expertise. Use ChatGPT to create content that drives traffic and conversions for affiliate products. Focus on niches you understand and use AI to research keywords, craft persuasive copy, and optimize your campaigns. E-commerce continues to grow, and ChatGPT can help you launch and scale your online store. Use AI for product descriptions, customer support scripts, and marketing campaigns. The key is to combine automation with your unique brand voice and customer insights. Digital marketing is essential for growing your online business. Use ChatGPT to plan campaigns, generate ad copy, and analyze results. Stay up to date with the latest trends and adapt your strategies to maximize your reach and ROI. Looking for inspiration? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm and validate online business ideas. Use AI to research market trends, identify profitable niches, and outline business plans. The possibilities are endless when you combine creativity with technology. A strong personal or business brand sets you apart in the digital world. Use ChatGPT to refine your messaging, design marketing materials, and engage with your audience. Consistency and authenticity are key to building trust and attracting loyal clients. Success with ChatGPT isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of learning, testing, and refining your approach. Stay curious, seek feedback, and always look for ways to improve your services and results. This mindset will keep you ahead of the competition. The digital economy is evolving rapidly, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this transformation. By embracing AI-powered tools and proven strategies, you can create new income streams, work more efficiently, and achieve your goals faster than ever before. Now that you've learned 4 proven ways to make money with ChatGPT, it's time to take action. Choose the method that fits your skills and interests, implement the strategies, and start building your digital income. Remember, the market is ready and the tools are in your hands. Stay focused, keep learning, and let ChatGPT help you achieve your financial goals. To get our full guide with checklists, advanced prompts, and direct links to all the resources we mentioned, simply click the link in the description right now. We'll see you there.